How to use Adidas Running app points. Now in this video, I'm going to provide you additional information about how you can use your Adidas Running app points. So the very first thing that you want to have to do is of course log in into your Adidas account, or if you don't have an account yet, just visit their official site and choose this option here that says become a member. Now using your Adidas points comes with a certain level. So if you're going to be level 1, all the points that you have from here will not be usable for the full price of the product that you prefer to purchase. So say for example, you're currently under the level 2 points. Now you will not be able to use this on a full price. Basically, these points are for vouchers only. So say for example, you have a certain amount of points, like maybe 20 or 30 points, you should be able to unlock vouchers in it, like 20% discount, 30% discount, depending on the products, or basically means on a selected products. And that's it. That is how you use Adidas Running app points.